Lorex has introduced a new bullet-style camera to its MPX 2K lineup. The LBV4711 is made of heavy-duty aluminum, the same material used in the construction of airplanes. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally, indoors or outdoors. The base of the camera features a foam backing to keep the weather out if mounted outside. The cable notch on the back accommodates the cable when surface mounting. The camera angle can be adjusted with the chrome articulating ball joint. The 4711 is fully weatherproof and is IP67 rated and can operate in temperatures as low as -22 Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera itself is a 4 megapixel sensor offering 2K resolution, double that of 1080p HD. The 4711 is equipped with 18 infrared LEDs, which allows the camera to provide up to 150 feet of night vision and a large field of view of 85 degrees. This is ideal for wide open areas like a backyard. Video is sent down a coax cable with a BNC connector. Power is supplied via DC cable bundled with the video cable. This is called a Siamese cable. Included in the package are mounting screws and hollow wall anchors, a quick start guide outlining safety precautions and installation options, a 24-hour surveillance window security sticker, and a 60-foot Siamese extension cable with the BNC and DC power are also part of the kit. Lorex also supplies a DC power adapter that plugs into the wall. The LBV4711 is a feature-rich, high-quality camera which will serve all your security needs for many years to come.